Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a crucial concept in object-oriented programming, inheritance. If you want to understand how to build robust and reusable code in Python, this is the place to be. Let's get started. What is inheritance? A way to create a new class from an existing class by inheriting its attributes and methods. For example, if you have a class animal, you can create a dog class that inherits features from animals, but also has additional features specific to dogs. Importance of inheritance. Code reuse. Write code once and reuse it across multiple classes. Extend functionality. Build upon existing classes without modifying them. And implement polymorphism. Use a unified interface for different data types. Types of inheritance: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Let's briefly go through each type and understand how they differ from one another. Single inheritance. In single inheritance, a child class inherits from a single parent class. Here is one child class and one parent class. Example of single inheritance, say class whose name as parent, then a colon, then let me create a method whose name as parent, then a set of parentheses. Inside it you will get a self parameter, then inside the method print statement, say I'm a parent class, like this, then create one more class whose name as child, like this, then a set of parentheses. Inside it you have to put the parent class, say parent class, like this, then put colon, then let me create one more method, say child, like this, then a set of parentheses. Inside it you will get a self parameter, then inside the method the print statement, say I'm a child class, like this, then outside of the function let me create an object, my object name as a equal to, then call the child class, like this, then a set of parentheses, then a dot the object dot call the parent method, and a dot the child method, like this, and let me run this and you will get I'm a parent class and I'm a child class. Multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, one child class can inherit from multiple parent classes. So here is one child classes and multiple parent classes. From this program, let me add one more class, say class parent 2, like this, then put colon, then inside it let me add a method name as parent2, then a set of parentheses. Inside it you will get a self parameter, then say print statement. Inside it I'm a parent2 class, like this, class, like this, then to access the parent2 class, come to the class child, then a set of parentheses. Inside it after the parent put comma, then add the parent2 class, like this, then object, come to object creation, then access the object a dot, then the parent2 method, like this, then let me run this and you will get I'm a parent class, I'm a parent2 class, and I'm a child class. Multi-level inheritance. A class is derived from another class which is also derived from another class. For example, suppose three classes A, B, C. A is a superclass, B is the child class of A, and C is the child class of B. In other words, a chain of classes is called multi-level inheritance. From this program, let me add one more class whose name as say grandson, like this, then a set of parentheses. Inside it you have to call the child class, like this, then put colon, then let me add a method whose name as say grandson, like this, then put set of parentheses inside it the self parameter, then say print inside it I'm a grandson class, like this. Then let me create an object, my object name as a equal to, then call the grandson class, then a set of parentheses, then a dot call the parent method, then once again a dot the child method, then once again a dot the grandson method. And let me run this, and you will get I'm a parent, I'm a child class, and I'm a grandson class. Hierarchical inheritance. Multiple classes inherit from a single parent class. From this program, let me add two more child classes, say child2 with a set of parentheses inside it, just put the parent class, then put colon, then let me add a method, say method name as child2, like this with a set of parentheses inside it you will get a self parameter, then put a print statement, then inside it say I'm a child2 class, like this. Then just copy this code, copy, and paste here. Just change the class name as 3 child3 and the method as child3 and child3 class, like this. Then let's come to object creation. Say my object name as a equal to, then call the last child child3, then with a set of parentheses, then say a dot call the parent method and a dot the child3 method. Let me run this. You will get parent class, then I'm a child3 class. For example, to access the child2 class, you have to create one more object, say my object name as b equal to, then call the child2 class, like this with a set of parentheses, then b dot the child2 method, then say b dot parent method. Yes, I'm a child2 class, then a parent class. Hybrid inheritance, a combination of two or more types of inheritance. When inheritance consists of multiple types or a combination of different inheritance, then it is called hybrid inheritance. In this program, there is a class parent who is the superclass, and there are two more classes which names as child and child2, which are inherits from parent class, which means it is a hierarchical inheritance. Then let me create one more class, say class child3, name as say child3 with a set of parentheses. Inside it, let me add the child class, then a child2 class, like this. Then put colon, then say I'm going to add method, say child3, then a set of parentheses. Inside it you will get a self parameter. Then inside the method, let me add a print statement. Inside it say hybrid class, like this. Let's come to object creation. Say my object name as a equal to, then call the child3 class with a set of parentheses, then a dot parent method, a dot child method, a dot the child2 method, a dot, and finally a dot the child3 method. And let me run this. You will get parent class, child2 class, hybrid class. Hybrid inheritance combines two or more types of inheritance, offering flexibility and code reusability, but can introduce complexity and method resolution conflicts. For example, the class child3 can inherit from both classes child and child2, which is turn inherit from the parent class, demonstrating both multiple and hierarchical inheritance. Summarize, inheritance is a powerful feature in Python that allows for code reuse, extension of functionality, and implementation of polymorphism. We also explored the different types of inheritance, including the hybrid inheritance. I encourage you to experiment with inheritance in your own projects to see how it can make your code more efficient and maintainable. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.